Thanks for choosing Daily Dive 365. Daily Dive 365 is designed to convert your recorded sermons to daily devotionals available through your included mobile app, Alexa devices, and podcast. You can also create social clips from your recorded sermon. Please ensure your sermon video only includes your sermon. To add your sermon, you can enter the YouTube URL for your recorded sermon or upload your sermon video from your computer. When using the YouTube URL option, your sermon may take a few minutes to process. Once your sermon is available, you can create devotions using Create Devotions menu item. You can also elect to clone a voice to read the audio devotions or choose a professional voice from the list. Then select the desired sermon video for processing. The system will go through the process of creating your sermon transcript, analyzing your transcript, and suggesting a list of daily devotions for your review, edit, and approval. These steps may take a few minutes. Once complete, you can edit your devotions and finalize which devotions you would like to have created. Once the devotions are created, you can publish them through the included mobile app, Alexa devices, and/or church podcast. To publish your devotions on your mobile app, you would schedule the delivery of each devotion by dragging the devotion into the calendar on the days you wish to schedule each devotion. In order for your members to access your mobile app, you would need to add each member to your congregation. At a minimum, you would need to add the member's name and email address. You can add members individually, or you can have the ability to upload a list of members. Once added to your Daily Dive 365 account, each member will automatically receive an email with instructions for installing the app and logging in for the first time. In the same manner as you perform the scheduling the devotions for your mobile app, you can schedule the devotions for delivery on all Alexa devices or your own church podcast. If you wish to create social clips from your sermon, you can select the Social Clips menu item where your sermon video transcript will be analyzed for optimal social clips. You start the process by selecting the desired sermon video, and after a few minutes, the system will provide a list of suggested social clips where you can preview and select the desired clips to be created. Once selected, the Daily Dive 365 system will create the selected clips for you to download and post on social platforms.